Hello everyone and welcome to my Photoshop Quickie tutorials. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to remove unwanted objects or people from your images using the new Photoshop 2023 feature one-click delete and fill. So here is an example image taken from our trip in Grand Teton. So in this example, let's remove the tourist in front of the cabin. So let's go ahead and click Object Selection Tool. Once it's selected, let's hover over on the first person. Once it's selected, let's go ahead and click the next one. And again, let's hold shift and click on the last one. If you can see the selection is not perfect, you can just manually draw around the person or the object to properly select it. And make sure that you're still in lasso mode. Doesn't have to be perfect as long as you selected around the unwanted object. Once you selected all the unwanted objects, just right click and select delete and fill selection. That's it and you're done. Photoshop will do the magic for you. That's it for Photoshop Quickie. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video.